Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use Skool for client management. If you want a simple, organized way to manage clients, track progress, and deliver value, this guide is for you. First, sign up on Skool and create a community specifically for your clients. This will be your main hub for sharing resources, updates, and lessons. Next, set up your classroom and modules. Create sections for onboarding, training materials, or project updates. Organized content makes it easy for clients to follow along. Now, upload all client resources like PDFs, guides, templates, or videos. Everything is stored in one place so clients can access it anytime. Engagement matters. Use posts, comments, and discussions to communicate with clients, track who's active, and see which materials they're using. Finally, if you want, set up paid or tiered access for clients. This is great for premium coaching, consulting, or specialized services. And that's it. Using Skool for client management is really that simple. Create organized content, engage clients, and manage projects efficiently, all in one platform.